Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award. I dedicate this award to the people of our great motherland, India. I dedicate this award to the people of our great glorious tradition of our land that has I dedicate this award the way to the glorious tradition of our land for the environment that has shown, friends, the way. This award recognizes for the environment. Environmental leadership, friends. About this award recognizes it is commonly said that the best way to show it is through action. It is commonly said that the best way to show it is through action. There is no doubt that when it comes to care for the environment, the people of India are leaders. This has been the case for centuries. In our culture, nature and divinity are closely linked. Our gods and goddesses are associated with some or other tree and animal. The trees and animals are also sacred. You can pick literature from any state in any language. You will find many examples of the close bond people and nature have enjoyed. Friends, in Mahatma Gandhi, we have one of the greatest environment champions to have ever lived. By him, we would not face many of the problems we do today. I would urge you all to visit Mahatma Gandhi's home in the coastal city of Porbandar, Gujarat. Next to his home, you will get very practical lessons on water conservation. There are underground tanks constructed over 200 years ago. They were built to save rainwater. Friends, climate change and calamities are major challenges today. Both are interlinked. There are two ways to fight them. One, and that is through policies, laws, rules, and orders. These have their own importance, no doubt. I can share with you some examples. Share of non-fossil sources in India's installed capacity of electricity has grown by 38% now. We have moved to Bharat 6 emission norms since April 2020. This is equal to Euro 6 fuel. India is working to increase the share of natural gas from the current 6% to 15% by 2030. LNG is being promoted as a fuel. We just launched a national hydrogen mission last month for Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award. Recently, I dedicated a scheme called to the PM Kusum was announced. India. This will promote I dedicate this award to an equitable and decentralized model of solar energy. I dedicate this award the way to the glorious there is something beyond the world that has shown up policies, the way, laws. This award recognizes and order. Environmental leadership. Friends, the most powerful this award recognizes climate change. It is commonly said behavioral that the best way to show it. There is it is commonly very famous story that